STEM has made a huge impact on my teaching career and how I approach teaching. STEM has taught me that I'm not teaching in isolation. I am working with all these different content areas to give students a why. STEM gives students a purpose for what they are learning and why it matters, how they can make change. It really helps students to be change makers and know that they can make a difference in their school, their community, with their group members, and in the world as they move on outside of the school. For anyone who is hesitant about STEM, I would have two pieces of advice. First, find a partner, someone who maybe has some experience with STEM, and choose a small lesson. So starting small is really important. One activity, one lesson, try it out, and I encourage you to see how the students respond in your classroom. STEM education has deepened engagement in my classroom. I like to count engagement by the aha moments that we have, and there are so many ahas in the classroom when we are doing a STEM activity.